How to fix Roomba app not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if your Roomba application in a mobile device is not working properly. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If your application is not working properly, the first thing that you have to make sure is that if the application is up to date to its latest version or not. So to check that, open a Play Store in your device and then in the search bar search for Roomba app. After that, tap on the application. If you find update option where I have opened, that means your application needs update. So tap on update. Once the update is complete, go back and check whether your application is working properly or not. If still not, now you have to open up settings in your device. Tap on apps, tap on see all apps, then tap on the search icon. Here search for Roomba application. Once you land on app info page, here tap on storage and cache. Here tap on clear cache. If there are any glitches or bugs in the application, clearing the cache will help you remove that, which will help to fix your problem. After that, open up the application and check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, the last method is to uninstall or delete the application from the mobile device and reinstall it back from the Google Play Store. So for that, access your application in a mobile device, tap and hold on it, then tap on app info. Here tap on uninstall, then tap on OK. Once you delete this application, again open up the Play Store and reinstall the application from the Play Store again, and then your application will work properly. So that's the way to fix if your Roomba or your iRobot application is not working properly. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.